You don't need to memorize anything. Seriously, when I started flying, I'd sit staring at beta flight for hours, trying to remember every settings, and I'd forget everything the next day. Felt like an idiot. You watch experienced pilot build the quad in 20 minutes, tune it in 5 minutes, wire everything perfectly, and you just assume it's all locked in the head. It's not. I've been flying for 5 years now, and honestly, I still open manuals. I still watch tutorials for the thing I've done 50 times before. I still ask friends when something doesn't make sense. Not because I am bad at this, but because that's literally how it works. That's how I got good. Every experienced pilots you look up to, they are doing the exact same thing. No shame, no ego. They just get it done. The difference between a beginner and a pro isn't memory. It's confidence. Confidence that you can find the answer fast without panicking. Every time you look something up, you are not failing. You are building. You are training yourself to know where things are. And every time you solve something by looking it up, you understand it deeper. And next time you need less help. So stop pressuring yourself. Bookmark those videos, save those tutorials, and keep manuals on your phone. Experienced pilots do this, all of them. They just don't talk about it. Every time you open a manual, you are one step closer to that pilot who built a quad in 20 minutes. Because that pilot still opened the manual too. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know where to look. And now you do. If this helped you relax a little, drop a comment, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.